when companies face hard times, that's when innovation takes share because disruptive innovation is always in competition with the status quo. And, if a company is having to make hard budgeting decisions, they have to forestall hiring, then they say, hey, can you analysts do more with AI rather than us hiring another analyst or finance person. In the multi-omics space, there's a heavy emphasis on government and cutting costs. And a lot of the companies in the multi-omics space that we focus on will deliver cost efficiencies as they get adopted into the market, whether that's a blood test that can detect cancer rather than doing imaging, or it's a cure for sickle cell disease. And so if the Fed, we think, has more leeway here, given what's going to happen in probably the macroeconomic environment to cut, and particularly because of technological deflation. And if they give relief on rates, these long duration companies in the biotech space that are relying on capital markets to fund operations actually have both an end market that's not necessarily made shaky by a recessionary macroeconomic environment and cheaper cost of capital as rates come down. And so it's a sector that's not only been beaten down, it also is in an interesting kind of provocative setup relative to the macro environment.